So I've noticed a bug that seems to occur in Eevee when working on really large scenes. So in this case, Icosphere is a Mars-sized sphere, and Icosphere 1 is a Sun-sized sphere placed approximately the correct distance apart. And this sphere, which we're looking at now, is actually just a normal 1 meter sphere. And I've changed the clipping in so that we're actually looking at this at a sensible size. But the rest of the scene seems to upset um, the rendering of this particular object. I've kind of resolved myself to the fact that I'm not going to be able to do real size, real solar system sizes, but it is interesting, however, that if you switch to cycles, it does actually manage to render a sphere in this scene. But obviously, the rest of the package struggles with the maths. Yeah, so if someone can one day fix that, that'd be fantastic. Otherwise, I'll have to figure out a new way of doing this. Thanks very much.